Hello class 5th, a very good morning to all of you. Today I will explain chapter number 4, nouns, possessive case. The possessive case shows ownership with the addition of apostrophe s or sometime just the apostrophe. A noun can change from a person, place or thing to a person, place or thing that owns something. There are a few different ways to form the possessive of a noun. Let me explain you through some example. This is Mary and her dog. The dog is Mary's pet or Mary is not the dog's pet. Got it? Second example. This thick curtain is capable of shutting out the summer sun's heat and light. Here sun apostrophe s is used. Do we add another s for the possessive form of a name ending with s? Which is correct. Chris's, CHRIS apostrophe s. Chris's chair or Chris chair. James car or James car. Actually, both ways are correct. If a proper name ends with an s, you can add just the apostrophe or an apostrophe and an s. Means you have to add apostrophe s at the end. See the example. You are sitting in Chris chair. CHRIS apostrophe. Next example. You are sitting in Chris chair. CHRIS apostrophe s. But when you have a plural noun that ends in s, add just the apostrophe. This is also true when you have a proper noun that's a plural. Example, this is the boy's bedroom. My parents' house is a lovely old one. Formation of the possessive case. The possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun. For an example, man's, women's are singular, but men's and women's are plural. What is the difference between man and men? We use man man in a singular, but men apostrophe s in plural. Same as it is woman and women's. Woman comes under singular form of the verb and women's plural. The use of the possessive case. The possessive case is used with nouns denoting person. As Ravina saying a man's foot. Second, noun denoting any kind of living thing as an elephant's trunk, a stag's leg, a dog's tail. Noun denoting personified thing, that means spoken of as if living as. India's heroes, joys, tears, fortunes, smile. Next, noun denoting time, weight or space as time, a month's journey, a week's holiday, 2 weeks leave, etc. Weight, a kilogram's weight, a pound weight, etc. Space, a mile's distance, a hand's breadth, 20 feet space, a 100-meter race, etc. Let me tell you through some example. The sun's rays the nature's work, the mind's eye, the country goals are some of the examples. These are such example of noun possessive case. But do you know that it is also called the genitive case? It denotes relation or ownership. Hope you all have understood about the noun possessive case, student. Read this chapter from your book with some examples that will clearly understood by you all. Thank you very much.